It's almost 9 o'clock in the morning. We got Frank cooking breakfast. Today we're going rafting. Wife's awake too. She's cooking breakfast too. We're all set to go. What are you looking forward to then?
Probably the waterfalls.
Not too excited. What are you looking forward to the most?
Probably falling off the raft. As far as
I don't know. Let's see if I can even put on my
Getting wet. So hot out here. Going flying. I want to get flung up.
Took about half an hour drive to get here to Colorado River.
You're gonna grab onto the lapels of the life jacket. You're not gonna grab them by their ear. You're gonna go 3, 2, 1. You're gonna dump them like you hate them. That's gonna activate the flotation of that jacket. You're gonna lean back and roll them into the boat.
We stopped by here in Little Island for a quick lunch. It was not bad. We got some sandwich here, turkey sandwich and macaroni salad. We almost lost Christian.
Christian was on the border of both sides.
He was going to the other side. And that was a good swim.
Dude, that's probably what
It's shallow now. Carissa, how was it? That was a lot of fun. The kids got to swim, jumped off the raft. It's hot out here, but the water is nice and cool. We're all done for today when it comes to rafting. Now we gotta head back to the camp. What was your favorite part?
The rapids, they were fun.
First rapid, that was nice.
the rapids in the first part.
What was your favorite part?
Swimming through the rapids.
The rapids.
What was your favorite part? You guys ready to go back to camp? Swim? Get scared? You got swept away?
No.
No?
I got scared because I was spinning around like crazy.
That's Christine and Fonda.
Want my shorts?
Now we gotta cool down. We're gonna get some ice cream and stay in the pool.